Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Car Place in Yeovil, and I'm going to show you around this fantastic Jaguar F-Pace. So this vehicle comes with 20-inch alloy wheels, has front and rear parking sensors with a colour reversing camera, there's an electric tailgate. Now inside the car you've got a lovely panoramic glass roof, full leather interior with heated seats. The touchscreen has 3D navigation, DAB digital radio and Bluetooth connectivity. You also get dual zone air conditioning, automatic headlights and wipers, there's cruise control with the speed limiter, and a fantastic Meridian sound system. So let's have a look around. This car's got the automatic 3-litre V6 diesel engine, it gives you around 300 horsepower, it's done under 20,500 miles, and if it's of interest to you then please get in contact with us at Howard's Car Place in Yeovil. Thank you.